Hey, I'm at a house here in Lexington and I'm actually doing a German roach treatment and just want to show you something that could really help you guys out. It's not going to eliminate the problem, but it will really reduce it and it might even prevent you from ever getting them or at least, them getting established. But check it out. It's just this right here, a paper towel. Look what I'm going to do with it. Here, we're out in the kitchen. You got your faucet and pretty clean kitchen, pretty clean place. But this is what I want to show you. Right behind here, you can see this right here. This is the enemy of you getting rid of German roaches, but it's also the friend of German roaches, meaning they need moisture. Something that you can do every night before you go to bed. Just take that and dry it all up. And by doing that, you are going to make them so it's not as friendly for them here. So just a good wiping down, not necessarily cleaning up. Obviously you want to clean things up. Let me switch over here. Obviously you want to clean up crumbs and spills and things like that, but most people don't quite realize it's this paper towel or another type of instrument that you use to clean things up, dry it up, will really have a big effect on the population of German cockroaches. So try cleaning up the moisture. I call it a moisture sweep every night. Just knock down all the moisture every morning before you leave to work or school, whatever happens, just knock it down again. And I'm telling you, that's going to have a hurting on your German roach population. Will it completely get rid of them? Probably not. But the more that are struggling, the more that can't survive, the better it is for you. So anyways, have questions, feel free to give me a call.